In today's video, I'll show you how to set up your first Obsidian vault. So first, make sure you've already downloaded and installed the Obsidian app on your device. Once that's ready, go ahead and open the app. Now, a vault in Obsidian is basically a folder on your computer where all your notes are stored. You can keep everything in one vault or create separate vaults for different projects. It really depends on how you want to organize your notes. When you open Obsidian for the first time, you'll be prompted to create or open a vault. To create a new one, look for Create New Vault and click Create, then enter a name for your vault. After that, click Browse to choose where you want the vault to be saved on your computer. Once you've selected the location, click Create and your new vault will be set up instantly. Now, if you already have a folder that you want to use as your vault, here's what you do. In the lower left corner of the app, click on your current vault name, then select Manage Vaults. Next, to open folder as vault, click Open. In the file browser, choose the folder you want to use, then click Select Folder. And just like that, Obsidian will turn that folder into a working vault. And that's it. That's how you set up your first Obsidian vault. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.